Hello everyone, my name is Mali and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making chicken schnitzel. Schnitzel is one of the most delicious and popular food in many countries. It's made with a thin slice of meat such as chicken, pork, veal, and more. It's tenderized by pounding it and coating it with breadcrumbs and frying it till golden crispy outside and juicy inside. There are many tips and tricks for making the perfect schnitzel. Let me show you how. To remove the tendons, slide the knife underneath, cut and remove from the chicken breast. Slide the knife underneath the tendons at 45-degree angle. Make a small incision and cut it away. Always make sure to cut away from your fingers to prevent injury. To remove the small veins, make a small incision to get an easier access. Place the knife under the vein, pull it up, and cut it away. Inspect the chicken breast thoroughly. Make sure no tendons, vein, and connecting tissue left behind. That will determine how tender and delicious your schnitzel will be. Butterfly the chicken to create an even thickness for an even cooking. Place your hand flat against the chicken breast. Finger raise upward for safety. With a sharp knife, cut horizontally from the thicker parts towards the thin part. Don't cut it all the way through. Leave 1/4 of an inch attached and open it like a book. Now you have an even flat chicken breast. Place the shiny parts down. That will prevent tearing during pounding. Cover with clean wrap and with a meat mallet or rolling pin, start pounding from the thicker parts all the way to the thinner part. We are tenderizing the meat. Rub your hands against the chicken breast to make sure it's even all the way through. Now you have a perfectly even chicken breast ready for frying. In a dish, place 2 cups of flour. In a separate dish, place 2 cups of seasoned breadcrumbs. Add 1 cup of seasoned panko. 1/4 cup of sesame seeds. Mix well till all combine. In a shallow dish, break 4 to 5 eggs, it depends on their size. With the fork, whisk together till it's all combined. Add 2 tablespoons of water and whisk again. Season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of white or black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix together, and now you have the egg wash, the breadcrumbs, and the flour ready for assembling. Take a piece of chicken breast, dip it in the flour mixture. Shake well all excess flour. Dip it in the egg wash and transfer to the breadcrumbs. Press down to all breasts will be coated completely with the breadcrumbs. Transfer to a baking sheet covered with aluminum foil and repeat till you finish coating all the chicken breasts. In a large skillet, heat canola oil or vegetable oil to 350 degrees. If you don't have thermometer, you can check the heat of the oil by using a handle of a wooden spoon. If you see bubble around it, steady, it means the oil is ready for frying. Place chicken breast into the hot oil and fry it for between 3 to 4 minutes each side. Do not flip it more than once. Then transfer it to a cooling rack. That will keep it crispy. Do not use paper towel because it will make it soggy. Insert thermometer. Make sure it reaches to internal temperature of 165 Fahrenheit. Clean the foam between frying. Make sure to add a fresh oil to the skillet. Bring it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and continue frying the rest of the chicken breast. And now you have a beautiful, delicious, golden crispy chicken schnitzel. You can use the same method to make chicken parm. Just omit the sesame seed and add Parmesan cheese instead. I'm sure you will love it. Enjoy!